A lot of brothers are asking the question, can we do Qurbani on behalf of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and what is the ruling regarding this? Tirmidhi and Abu Dawood, where Hanash rahmatullah alayhi says that Utiya Aliyun bikabshin fadhabahahu faqal أتي علي رضي الله عنه بكبشين فذبحهما فقلت ما هذا فقال أوصاني رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم أن أذبح عنه. So Ali radiallahu anhu was brought 2 rams and he slaughtered both of them. I asked him that why did you slaughter 2 rams, you're supposed to slaughter 1? So he said that Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam had given me wasiyah and advised me to slaughter on his behalf after his demise. So from this we come to know that very clearly it is actually a mustahab, it is actually a preferable act if a person can afford, after doing his obligatory qurbani, if we can do qurbani for Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam.